Find or read reviews that people are talking about ABIRAA mini laptop projector with Wi-Fi outdoor movie projector. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose ABIRAA mini laptop projector with Wi-Fi outdoor movie projector. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 1080p Projector V2 movie projector equips with the advanced LED light transmission technology which enhances up to 8000 lumen bright and more accurate colors to our outdoor projector. The upscaling 80% higher brightness and resolution enables you to enjoy your favorite TV shows, movies, and sports events in our mini projector in a lifelike viewing experience. Lumens Projector 1080p supported remarkable 10,000 lumens brightness, supported resolution 1920x1080. Aspect ratio, 4:3/16:9. Contrast ratio, 9000:1. Lamp lifetime, 80,000 hours. Watching size, 20 to 200 inch with projector distance 0.90 to 5.5 meters. And stable Wi-Fi projector. Our V2 mini Wi-Fi projector equips with the latest Wi-Fi which is ideal working for iOS and Android smartphone screen mirroring. The upgraded WLAN guarantees you to enjoy the no-lagging watching experience while you miracast your smartphone games, TikTok or other phone videos via our phone projector. Surround speaker built-in dual 3-watt stereo surround speaker. V2 projector offers you the astonishing and breathtaking stereo sound with deep bass note. It's not support to realize smartphone screen sync via Bluetooth. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.